you want an apple juice? Okay. Here you go, Belle. Love you.
Apple.
Bye, guys.
So once you drink.
Okay, I'm trying out these ratio keto friendly. There's only 2 carbs. 15 protein, 15 just came on me. 15 protein, 15 fat, so that's pretty good for me. Let's do what taste says. Who just like scoops their yogurt and who stirs? I am a stirrer. Like I want that, I want it creamy. I don't want to eat chunky yogurt, you know what I mean? But I know some people like the chunk. So please let me know if you are a stirrer. I don't mind it. It's very light, the flavor. It's like creamy. Yeah, I don't mind it. I think it's pretty good. I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10. No, I like it more than that, like an 8 out of 10. I like it a lot. It'll grow on me. It's kind of like dessert-esque. You know? Okay, anyway, I'm gonna eat this and also prep. I'm pumping. I just finished my first boudoir shoot. She was amazing, fantastic, wonderful human. And now I have like an hour-ish until my next one, so I'm gonna eat and try to get some editing done. And I opened my store. I just still can't get over this pump. Crazy. Anyway, I gotta eat and get ready for my next appointment. I probably should put makeup on myself. I really probably should. Let me eat and then go do that. Yay! I'm gonna do my hair and makeup right now, and my bride, my formals. They're doing formal pictures. Should be here in like an hour-ish. So let me go ahead. Oh, my hair is like still wet. But let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be back when I'm beautiful.
Thank you so much. You don't have to clarify nothing. You're not going to talk about kids. We're not dragging this. Brian, I'm sorry, but this conversation is not going to continue. We're done. What do you want to say, Brian?
I was gonna ask her what was the next thing we had to say about it after this thing, because at the start it was like fun, right? And
exactly. And Brian, you've been here. It's not the first time that we talked about this. You cannot come and say, "Oh, we do it all."
All right, so we have this salad. It is from Core Life. It's the kale chicken Caesar. And I added broccoli because I really like the broccoli. But look at those Parmesan crisps. I'm literally just in heaven. So let's get... I don't even think I can shake this. It's so full. But let's get eaten. And we're going to Wendover, kind of. Like Salt Flats. We're going to Bonneville.
Let me be honest.
Well, I think I say it wrong. Bonneville. Bonneville? Bonneville. That's what I call it, but I don't know if I'm calling it wrong. Anyway, I got my mane and we're going to go. Yay! I didn't even address that. We're going to Bonneville Salt Flats because I am doing pictures, formal pictures for my bride who hired me for photography. So she bought my package. So we're gonna be doing her like instead of bridals, she's doing formals. She purchased my bridal package, so I just did her hair and makeup, and we're gonna meet at the Bonneville Salt Flats to take her formals with her fiance. They're the sweetest ever. So that's what we did. Here's a time lapse of me getting her ready while we drive because it's gonna be a long drive. Okay, that's crazy. It's literally disappeared. Wow. Wow.